ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lynshop pho near Fire Brigade Shillong
Ka Tnat Fisheries Dohkha Sarkar Meghalaya harangkat ka jingi trailang bat ka Division of Animal and Fisheries Sciences Dohkha Indian Council of Agriculture Research for North East Region Umyam ha ka khandai tri ubnai nailor arajar arphuai kala sam ni kisimbai Dohkha ha ka fish seed distribution mela ka balalong ha fish dale farm Dohkha Directorate of Fisheries Shillong ha ka ba ka Joint Secretary Dohkha Fisheries Department ka kong ai maulong kalalong ka kongsan Kajing temu jong kani ka Tnat ri Dohkha haba penlong ya kani ka mela kalong ban ai jing kersan ya ki Nongri Dohkha bakin dubla ban nang kentiu shosho ya ka Kamri Dohkha bat bakin dubla ban kamyo akamai kaji hadin bakila mat ya ka jingdo nong ka bakrab ha na ka jingwan Lynshop jong ka Khlam jingpang COVID-19 Ki Nongri Dohkha ki balayo jing mentoy na kani ka jing sam ya ki sembai Dohkha ki long ki Nongri Dohkha na rilom khasi na rilom jantia bat na ka them ribhoy Hagani ka jing yalang le don langru ka director jong ka Tnat Fisheries ka kong AL Maulong nang tadi principal scientist jong ka Indian Council of Agricultural Research for North East Region Umyam Dr. SK Das ka superintendent jong ka Tnat Fisheries ka kong H Papang lembat kiway
Our institute at Umyam Barapani ICAR has been working on it for a very long time, and as and when we find a good opportunity, so we always try to distribute at least these critical inputs to the poor and the disadvantaged farmers, because those farmers who are very rich, they can go and get the seeds from other states, neighboring states like Assam and West Bengal, because last past 2 years the seed vendors have not been able to enter Meghalaya due to the COVID protocol. Otherwise, seeds used to be made available to the farmers through different vendors who used to have some kind of a linkage or some contacts with the local farmers in Meghalaya. So this could not happen during the last seasons and also this season. So what we thought, why not we produce this time in excess quantity of seeds for the purpose of distributing these critical inputs to the needy farmers of the state of the Meghalaya. All these varieties, especially the rohu, katla, then gonias, these three important varieties are being produced by our ICR Institute, and we are trying to distribute the same good size. The fingerling size means each of finger size. Finger size means it's about 2 inches long. Quality fingerlings will be distributed to you soon after this inaugural session, and I am sure this fish in your ponds, because don't think that this fish will grow automatically, because many of us we think that once we put the fish they will grow automatically. So that concept you should remove that kind of a things, because fish is also an animal. It also needs to be nourished. They have to be given feed every day. So your pond has to be fertilized first. After fertilization of ponds, then you can stock your fish ponds with the fingerlings, the optimum number of fingerlings. Of course, we don't know. That is why actually we are giving approximately. But then while distributing the seeds, we will certainly ask the farmers what is the pond size, and accordingly that number of seeds have to be stocked in your fish ponds. And after stocking of fish pond, from the very next day you have to start feeding the fish. At least, if not twice a day, at least once a day they have to be fed with the available resources. So they need to be treated well. So please treat them well, feed them well. Only then you will become a successful fish farmer.
Ketika kabuk siar nam tajung pi ki Nongri Dohkha ba pinyo ya ki sembai Dohkha pelayo sngo Dr. Das kumno bila patai ya pi syapang kini ki Dohkha ba ngit scam ba ndala dep kini ka program in sabatai kam benya shu kumno ban ri ban sumari ki Dohkha Ladangi pai mentah sih kini kepertai baka juk mentah ke baka rokam. Ngai ba hakani ka jela jongi. Ngisngau sarong ba bun ki briu kila pai kiwi ki kam na jong dai. Ndai tamangi ap tang ya kam sarkar ladangi khimik lenti tang kam sarkar ka mengin poisan usunuru. Bun ki bala nang la start mentah syukut ka jing syongyeng. Hanrai ka jing sedang jong pi hakakam ban ri Dohkha ngipet ba kiwi ki jat kam ru ki briu la sedang ban trei ki jing rap ki sentiu ba kum ta ter nai ai ba ka kam ka pishim kumbalo ong menta mendai ban ong ba ban supun but teneng ba iwe la ti pung ngarang li ti pung lem iwe ri Dohkha ngarang li ri Dohkha lem ka sai long kata ka jing long jingi ki briu nai hanai dala sedang pade itu bompat mi ai tang si snem asnem la sange no mdan jing mi thaj no hanai pihak penlong barabor hak nunu kam ke betrai bahkan long bajanai hap long barabor biasa baminat batristam ban hap up te ban yo ban khai yo tu so nai te kini ka jing sam Dohkha ni ka poru na ka kilaki na po ICR kila pen kre kini Dohkha ba bon jat bat ki babha ka ba phila ban ra selaki jom ki yeng ki sam ba pin pendon kam ha ka jing rap Dohkha jing pi ngitip scam ba kini ka jing ri Dohkha kan lada tres hitam sisa kan wanra ka jing mentoy ha kayo ka kot ka jing mentoy ha ki yeng ki sam ki jong pi ka jing mentoy ha ka ba ka jing mi jo ki Dohkha kan nang kieu ha ka state ba ka jela ka jongi nyap khmi lenti lano ka por bakan poi ha ka banginam dan kam syu ban pha onra len ban thiet Dohkha ni ki jelam na shabar nai kata kalong ka thong jong ka jela ka jongi te ngisutu baka jing ri Dohkha ru ka Ïarap shibun ngitip skam ka Dohkha baka long ka wei na ki jing bam ka batei yangi ki brium ne ngi don ha bangi bam Dohkha ka don shibun ka protein ka man tei ya ka met ka jongi nang ta kan ple ka lat ban pene ru ya ki ha ki pum ki jongi na mangim la ban ri Dohkha khlam ka dai nang ta ha ka wei ka leng ru ha bang prakhat ka wan ra bat ka ple lat ru na ka banta ban ai kam ru ki wei da phila pen he pen kraw syuk ka kam ri Dohkha ningkong pisdang da bati ka wei ka pung atli ka pung hadin pinang penyar syuk ka ta nai kam tam kinong kendong binang buni ki jaka te kam ta ka plelat ya ka ban ai kam ai jam ki wei ru te ngatip skema kata ka long ka jingkul khu ka banwan ra ha ki shinong ki thau ki jong pi
And